Well, hello there. Yes, today we are going to be testing to see if we can use Ibis Paint X to animate. We see that Ibis Paint X has a playback feature, which allows us to see what we have drawn before in numerous ways. The way it works differs from normal screen recording. Instead, it takes your actions and puts them down. Although depends on if you are using window view or not. So I'm going to try to use this to make a basic animation in Ibis Paint X. Now I have an animation idea to put down. I will keep the background filled with color to make it easier. Trying to make it as cool as possible. Cool, now that we're done, all we have to do is arrange them and put some actions in between them, so as to create gaps. This wasn't as hard as I thought it would. The results are quite good also, but it's going to be way easier to just use other mobile animation apps like Flipeclip. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like. Subscribing also helps in the channel's growth, as this is my first actual video tutorial. Goodbye. And see you next week if I don't die.